Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to log out your Google account. So we'll try to log out on your mobile and PC. So first you need to open your Gmail on your mobile phone. And as you can see here, you just tap on the profile icon at the top right corner. And then you will find all the accounts that signed in this device. Now, if you want to log out on a specific Google account, all you need to do is tap this Manage Accounts on this device. Here on Accounts and Sync, you will find Google and tap this one. Now you will see all your Google accounts that been signed in your device. Now, if you want to log out one of those, you need to tap that email address or Google account, and then you will find this Google account and all the settings that using this account. So just tap this more option right here at the bottom, and you just have to tap this remove account to log out or sign out on your device. Now to sign out your Google account on your PC, you just go on Google Chrome and add a new tab right here. Then tap on the profile icon at the top right corner. Then you will find all the accounts that signed in your PC or computer. So right here, all you need to do is just tap the sign out or sign out of all accounts. So if you click this one, you will find a message shows up right here, says signed out, and you just click this continue button and all your accounts, other accounts will be posted, but your existing account will be signed out in your PC. So that's how you basically sign out or log out your Google account in mobile and PC. Thank you for watching. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and please hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.